The GH5 has a setting called Highlight Shadows. This allows you to lighten the shadows and darken the highlights in a photograph or a video. It's available in both modes. In this scene, you can see the shadows in the back are too dark, and the highlights, which are shown by what we call zebra stripes, which are turned on, that shows that your highlights are blown out. This scene is basically unbalanced, and we can fix it in camera before it goes to post-production. So we push menu set. In the camera mode, it's on page 2. And in the video mode, it is also on page 2 of 4 there. So I'm going to go back up. I'm going to do this. It doesn't matter which mode I do it in, but I'm going to do it in the photo mode. Okay. Now I have several presets that I can try first. So if you're not sure what to do, you can see this one's lightening the shadows and darkening the highlights. But this one needs a custom one. So I'm going to go to a custom setting here, and I'm going to kind of go to the extremes to show you what happens. That's my shadows pulled all the way down to -4 to make them dark. And this is what happens if I lighten my highlights all the way up. Okay. Now for this scene, I want to lighten my shadows, and I want to darken my highlights to try to bring those, keep those highlights from being burned out and get rid of those zebra stripes. So let's see what happens if I even go a little bit stronger here to show the extreme example of this. There we go. The highlights aren't blown out anymore, and the background better matches the scene.
Panasonic.